शिशु संगोपन संस्थेची सविता रमेश फिरोदिया प्रशाला अहमदनगर इयत्ता पहिली विषय इंग्रजी. Today we are going to learn page number 58. Let's play. Hi children, today we are going to learn about some games you play every day. आज आपण काही खेळांची माहिती पाहणार आहोत. Now look at the picture. What is the name of this game? Cricket. Very good. Next. What is the name of this game?
Skipping rope.
म्हणजे दोरीवरच्या उड्या. Next game. What is the name of this game?
Hopscotch.
म्हणजे काय? टिक्कर. टिकरी बाणी. Then what is the name of this game? या खेळाचे नाव काय?
Marbles.
मार्बल्स म्हणजे हे मुलं गोट्या खेळत आहेत. मार्बल्स म्हणजे गोट्या. Then next game. What is the name of this game?
Hide and stick.
Hide and seek म्हणजे लपाछपी. हे मुलं लपाछपी खेळत आहेत. Next picture. What is the name of this game?
Tipcat.
टिपकॅट म्हणजे काय रे? विट्टी दांडू. हे मुलं विट्टी दांडू खेळत आहेत म्हणजे टिपकॅट. What are they playing?
They are playing tipcat.
Very good. In this picture, children are playing tipcat. म्हणजे ते विट्टी दांडू खेळत आहेत. Next picture. What are they playing?
They are playing the hide and stick.
Hide and seek. हे मुलं लपाछपी खेळत आहेत. Very good boy. Then what are they playing?
They are playing marbles.
या चित्रामध्ये मुलं मार्बल्स म्हणजे गोट्या खेळत आहेत. Then next picture. What are they playing?
They are playing hopscotch.
म्हणजे या ठिकाणी हे मुलं मुली हॉपस्कॉच म्हणजे टिक्कर खेळत आहेत. Then what are they playing?
They are playing skipping rope.
म्हणजे हे मुलं या ठिकाणी दोरीवरच्या उड्या मारत आहेत. स्किपिंग रोप. नेक्स्ट गेम. What are they playing?
They are playing cricket.
हे मुलं चित्रामधील मुलं क्रिकेट खेळत आहेत पहा. They are playing cricket. Next. Now see on the screen there are two pictures. The first picture. What do you play? I play cricket. Very good. I play cricket. And second picture. We play marbles. Now look at the first picture. What do you play?
I play hockey.
Paha. And second picture there are.
We play hide and stick.
We play hide and seek. Next picture. The first picture. Look at the first picture. What do you play? I play football. पहिल्या चित्रामध्ये फुटबॉल खेळत आहे. We play cricket. Then next. What do you play? I play tennis. We play skipping rope. In this way, today we learn some games and their information. Thank you.